And there you have it, one finished TF2 Sandvich for the heavy, ready to clean up and paint. As I'm sure you noticed, the olive on top failed to print, so I had to reprint it and just glue it to the sandwich. If you have anything that you would like to see me print on my 3D printer, just leave it in the comments below. I'm always looking for new things to print. And if you enjoy my video, please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Once upon a time, there was a man who did not subscribe to Dr. Buddha's channel, and then he died.